Ever wondered what makes pickup truck trailers so popular among drivers and businesses alike? Well, stick around because today we're discussing into the world of pickup truck trailers, exploring their versatility, uses, and some key tips for choosing the right one for your needs. Pickup truck trailers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. From hauling construction materials to towing a boat for a weekend getaway, these trailers are the unsung heroes of the transportation world. But what exactly makes them so indispensable? First off, let's talk versatility. Pickup truck trailers can handle a wide range of jobs. Whether you're a contractor needing to transport heavy equipment or a family heading out on a camping trip, there's a trailer to fit your needs. This versatility makes them a favorite for many, as they can be easily adapted for different uses without much hassle. Next, consider the convenience factor. With a pickup truck trailer, you can carry larger loads that wouldn't fit in your truck bed. This is especially useful for businesses that need to move bulk items or for individuals who frequently carry heavy or oversized loads. Plus, with the right setup, loading and unloading can be a breeze. Now, let's get into some tips for choosing the right trailer. First, assess your needs. What will you be using the trailer for most often? If you're transporting heavy machinery, a flatbed trailer might be your best bet. For more delicate cargo, an enclosed trailer could be the way to go. Another important factor is weight capacity. Make sure the trailer you choose can handle the weight of your typical load. Overloading a trailer can be dangerous and may lead to accidents or damage to your vehicle. Always check the weight limits and ensure your truck can safely tow the trailer when it's fully loaded. Don't forget to consider the legal aspects too. Different states have varying rules about trailer use, so make sure you're compliant with local regulations. This is where FMCSA Registration.com comes in handy. We are the top online service provider for the transportation industry, helping with FMCSA registration compliance across the United States. Our expertise can help ensure you're following all necessary guidelines, so check us out at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Finally, let's not overlook maintenance. Like any other vehicle component, trailers need regular checks to keep them in tip-top shape. Regular inspections of the tires, brakes, and hitch can prevent problems down the road and extend the life of your trailer. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.